Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. It is late and I'm uber tired, but I'm still going to make myself a nice little dinner. I'm going to do a piece of salmon in the air fryer. I need to rest that piece of salmon on something, so I've been using some homemade chili my wife made that has hominy in it, and I'm going to try to make this into a sauce. So first things first, I'll put some of that chili into my mixer, add some smoked red pepper, that's going to make it good, some sour cream, little hot sauce, something to lube it up, a little garlic, olive oil. Maybe use a little bit of water. Okay, kind of messy, but let's give it a taste. I am not gonna lie, that is awesome, and it gives me an idea of how to season the salmon, and I'm really looking forward to this meal. The smoke from the peppers is really the key ingredient. I like every time I barbecue, I always throw a red pepper or a yellow pepper on the smoker and char it all up and sweat it down and have it in the refrigerator for moments just like this. I'm not going to get too complicated on this salmon. Most importantly, I want to get the skin crispy, but I'm using a salt-free jerks seasoning that I will put a generous amount on each side. And I have the air fryer heating up in the garage outside so as not to have fishy smell in the house. And okay, put the salmon into the Instafryer, skin down, check the time, and let her go. I'm going to saute up some jalapeno peppers and a little bit of garlic olive oil. I've just lightly floured these just for like a garnish, and then just brown them. Well, there's my salmon. I cooked it for only like 6 minutes. It's definitely done. The skin is nice and crispy. It is beautifully seasoned. Time to plate. I'm literally 16 minutes into this meal, and I had a plan inside my head, no recipe. I'm just making it up as you go. Put my beans down here. Oh, that smell of a barbecue right there. Delicious. Right in the middle. Garnish it with some of those fried jalapenos. So there you go. Low sodium, low fat, air fried. Great. Beans. Perfect. I've put some chips out here because I'm going to treat this like a deconstructed seafood nacho. That salmon is just juicy and flaky. Rake up a little of the beans with it, put it on a chip. Good cracker. Always take the time to cook yourself something and have a beer. You deserve it. Thanks for watching. Shelter, food, and beer. Bon appetit.